Hi, this is Pete Singer. I'm the editor-in-chief of Semiconductor Digest, and I'm here with Carla Ferrana, who's with Nordson in Test and Inspection. And Carla, what's going on at the show this year?
Well, great to see you again, Pete. Always a pleasure. So we have a lot of new innovations. I think last time we spoke, we talked about how we keep advancing our technology. You know, we do have over 2,500 patents, about 250 with test and inspection. We have a lot of algorithm expertise and a lot of PhDs in math who are doing that algorithm secret sauce. But we've made a lot of great innovations in front end, mid end, and back end. So I'll tell you a little bit about our advancements in the mid-end, which is wafer level and advanced packaging. So we have an XM8000 system and a SpinSam. SpinSam, as you know, we won a Best of the West finalist last year, which is fabulous. That's still an industry-leading system for wafer level and advanced packaging from acoustic side, industry-leading throughput. But I'm delighted to introduce you to Ben Peacock. He will tell you a little bit more about the XM8000 and how that's also designed for wafer level and advanced packaging, both wafer level as well as panel level. So there's been a lot of innovation on that side too. So I'm happy to introduce you to Ben Peacock.
Yeah. This is Ben Peacock, and he's a product specialist, and talking about the XM8000. Can you tell us how that works?
Sure. Hi, Pete. So the XM8000 is the wafer level metrology inspection tool that we've been producing at Nordson for the last 10 years. And we're really excited this year to be launching the XM Pro, so an updated version where the core imaging chain technology, the X-ray tube and detector that's critical for the imaging quality, we've updated to the latest technology along with a whole host of other advantages for the new product. Along with the imaging chain, we've also been working on the introduction of using AI to help us make the analysis of those tools. So as the advanced packaging market progresses, the technology is getting smaller and smaller, more interconnects to inspect. We're finding we're actually needing to not just push forward on the imaging capability, but also using AI to help us to find those defects repeatedly.
Okay. Thank you, Ben. And that's not the only new product you have here today. Can you tell us what else?
Sure. So as well as our metrology tool for wafer level, we also have been working on our inline inspection system, so our AXI tools. With the tools that we've been producing for many, many years, typically using 2D or 2.5D inspection, we've now upgraded it to use a new technology using dynamic planar CT, which gives us the ability to create a 3D reconstruction to help us really dig into those packages. And the new advancement means we're continuing to capture images from rotations around the machine, capturing on the fly and synchronizing with our software to really improve the enhancement of those models, which then gives us the ability to very quickly, with much more accuracy, doing the analysis of that inspection.
Okay. Very good. Thank you, Ben.
All right. Thanks.
For your help. Okay, we're back with Carla, and she's going to tell us about what's going on with the WaferSense.
So we have actually extended our WaferSense sensing technology line. So we've had 7 different modalities like leveling, vibration, robot teaching, relative humidity, gapping. We've extended the line to now introduce a centering sensor. So it basically centers wafers in the process. So it's a device that's set for preventative maintenance, for equipment setup. It improves processes, ultimately it improves yield, it saves a tremendous amount of time. So we're really excited to introduce this new innovation. It's truly differentiated. We have, of course, a lot of IP within our WaferSense technology portfolio, but this is another addition. All of the rest of our sensors have been widely adopted in all major fabs worldwide. We also sell to equipment OEMs, and this centering sensor was actually designed based on customer input. So we're very excited to bring that to market. So this is actually what it looks like itself. So it's wafer shaped. It travels anywhere wafer travels, and it's super thin and super light. We've also recently launched at SEMICON Korea the AGS2. So the gapping sensor has been one of our top selling WaferSense devices, and now we've made that even thinner and lighter, and it has improved performance. So we're excited about both of those developments. And you can see this is our Nordson Spectrum software, and that provides real-time analytics. So we're really improving processes and streamlining things for the semiconductor fab process engineer and equipment engineer. So yeah.
Very good. Thank you, Carla.
Thanks, Pete.